Have you ever wondered how a cigarette lighter works, the 12-volt outlet? I was having some trouble with mine, so today I'm going to be showing you guys kind of what I discovered, what this is comprised of. This particular outlet is out of an '83 Ford. I'll be showing you how to remove it at the end of the video. And so take this with a grain of salt. This is just what my observations have brung. So let's start taking her apart here. Just once again, you can see it's got threads here on this end. And of course, this is this prong here is where the ground is attached to. This center prong here is where the hot 12-volt is attached to. Right now, we're going to get our 1/4-inch socket, and as you can see here, there's a nut. We can just pull that apart. Now things start getting all loose, so we're going to try and hold it together like so, and pull it apart real quick. Alright, so we have this little nut. Then we have washer. There's this unusual piece of sheet metal. I'm not really sure what this is for. I can't really see any use for it. And then we have this what seems to be plastic washer to insulate that that positive. So then we have this other washer. It's not exactly a washer. And then we have this piece, and it's divoted, so it locks together somewhat. Pull that apart, and then we're going to pull this inner part out. It comes, and once again, this whole part here is grounded because it's attached to this what appears to be copper piece, which threads onto this. Now, this part, there's then a piece of plastic that where this center piece, what also I'm assuming is copper, is sits in, so it doesn't wander around. As you may have seen before, it's supposed to sit in this orientation to where these hot prongs are located inside of the gap. Now, this and these few other pieces are the only thing only things that are hot in this system. And this particular piece seems to be where my problem is. Just get the little multimeter here, prop it up against something. We've got it set to read ohm. Some people call this a beep test, the people who have fancy multimeters that I probably have somewhere lying around but can't find under all this garbage. I just haven't bothered really. So we're supposed to be seeing 0 resistance, and for some reason it doesn't. What always gives me a good signal though is these side prongs where the actual outlet is not plugged into, whereas these other side prongs have more trouble, and the center only occasionally works. Let's go to the outside again. Here you go. So I can't figure this out as of yet. I'm kind of guessing that it's discolored. Looks like, well, heck, it's probably the original thing. So that's most likely just a little bit dirty. We're going to try and clean it off a little bit, see if we can't get that to work again. Now, I don't know how one of these works. It's totally different. Yeah. Alright, to take this out of the truck, I just pulled this sucker out. Open her up here, press down on that tab to open her up all the way, and it's held on with 3 screws. You got the one there, there, and over here. In the truck, those screws are here, here, and here, and of course there's this light. You have to just squeeze those clips in a little bit so it pops out. Now, at first thought, there's no way it's just going to be those two screws. It's there far too sturdily. But it does have these clips, so you got to kind of wiggle it out. And, of course, this is where the actual cigarette lighter lives. There's the bulb over there, one of those holes. And, of course, this just unscrews. And, of course, the two connections. The positive in the center and the negative. And then you simply unscrew it. And there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, have a good one.